All right, let's do 15. You're solving for x. We know ABC is a square. So if ABC here is a square, we know all this is 90 degrees. Therefore, 5x has to be equal to 90 degrees. Divide. This gets you 1. This then gets you, what, 40. So that's 18. This is a rhombus. If this is 130, this is also going to be 130. And then also we know that the angles here are supplementary. So this is supplementary to that because it's a parallelogram. Okay. So this is 30. This is going to be a 50. So x is equal to 50 here. Lastly, x, this is a 90 degrees. So x plus 40 equals to 90. So x is equal to 50. Don't believe me, do it to the other side. 2x minus 10 is equal to 90. Plus 10 plus 10. 2x is equal to 100. X is equal to 50. You see? No matter what, how you set up, you get the same answer.